The 1936 standard Modernus is about to be installed. It will replace the 1972 Kohler Wellworth. This is a bowl that I repaired several years ago. It now needs to be tested. The bolt for the screw-on toilet bowl cap has been installed. This consists of a 1.5 inch, 1/4 inch stainless steel bolt, seven stainless steel washers, one stainless steel washer, and a nut. This is what it looks like with the cap installed. The 40-50 tank has been prepped. I took the Wolverine brass fill valve from the Wellworth tank and installed it in the 40-50 tank. This month, the septic treatment will be flushed down the standard Modernus. The treatment has been measured out. Today I'll be performing the water usage test on the 1936 standard Modernus. I have established the water line at the bottom of the black tape. The water to the tank is turned off. I will flush the toilet, then manually refill the tank using a gallon jug. Then I'll record the amount of water the tank needed to be refilled. Then I will attach a hose to the bowl refill tube and direct the hose into the gallon jug and collect water as the tank refills after flushing the toilet. 1. 2. 3. 4. Water from the bowl refill tube will be transferred to the gallon jug. I'll flush the toilet now and see how much water we collect in the jug. Okay, 1 gallon. After emptying the jug and putting it back, I was unable to collect any more water. So it uses about a gallon of water to refill the bowl. This toilet uses about 4.5 gallons per flush. 3.5 gallons to fill the tank and about a gallon of water to fill the bowl. My Kohler Wellworth used over 5.5 gallons for the whole flush cycle, and it would choke on 1 piece of toilet paper. This uses much less water and flushes perfectly every time. I will end this video on a flush of the standard Modernus with some paper. Thank you for watching. You can't get much better than that.